And now the 22 News Storm Team forecast.
10 now is 446. Taking a live look out in Chicopee for now. You can see we're starting to see visibility improve. A little bit of patchy fog, but the rain is ending. The clouds are going to move out, and we will actually see a lot of sun come out this afternoon. So I would say increasing sun, becoming mostly sunny for later today. Breezy during the afternoon. We will likely see some wind gusts around 20-25 miles per hour for later today. Temperature now 54 in Northampton, also in Springfield, 55 in Greenfield. So definitely cool when you walk outside, and temperatures will be warmer than yesterday. We'll still be below average, but yesterday we only saw a high temperature of 62 degrees in Springfield. We'll be in the low 70s come later this afternoon. 9 a.m. this morning, climbing into the 60s. Here we are by noon, 12 o'clock, 71 Springfield, around 70 there in Northampton. The sun is out nice and bright during the afternoon here. 3 p.m. temperatures in the low to mid 70s. And then we do stay likely into the upper 60s, low 70s into the evening before falling back into the 50s and eventually some upper 40s, low 50s heading into early tomorrow morning. So increasing sun, breezy. That is the top of the 22 Storm Team forecast focus. As the sun comes up this morning, don't be surprised if it looks a little bit on the mostly cloudy side as that rain is starting to push its way out. We will see the clouds break apart to give way to a lot of sun this afternoon. We do climb back to the 80s by tomorrow and into Saturday. So if you're missing that really warm summer air, we'll be back nice and warm tomorrow and Saturday. And speaking of the weekend, it looks mostly dry, bright for Saturday. There could be a spot shower Sunday afternoon. I think the chances of any rain are diminishing, but I'm still going to hold on to the chance. But I would say overall the weekend looks pretty dry. ESP Live Doppler radar, you can see we're scanning dry out there right now for many of us. A couple sprinkles there in far eastern Hampden County around Palmer, even around up through Ware, even as you go through Brimfield. That's where you're finding maybe a spot shower there. Clouds and radar looking fine across much of the region. Rain is pushing off to the east. So through the rest of the day, early this morning, cloud cover to start. Notice as time goes on, 9 a.m., clouds start to break apart. And by noon here at 12 o'clock, we're partly to mostly sunny. We do stay mostly sunny through much of the afternoon. There will be some high, thin clouds that pass through as we go throughout the day. Those very high, thin clouds are actually the farthest outer clouds of Hurricane Erin. It's the closest it's going to be for today. So you might see a little bit of this high, thin cloud cover streaming through during the afternoon, evening. And also some of the wind, one, it's behind a cold front, so it's always breezy behind a front, but also the wind is also going to be due to some of the factors of Hurricane Erin as well. So during the day, you can see the wind picks up a little bit. Here we are by noon. You can see wind gusts around 20 miles per hour, around 20-25 miles per hour during the middle of the afternoon here. And we do stay breezy going into the evening, so you will notice the wind out there today. Here's Hurricane Erin now, Category 2 hurricane, winds of 105 miles per hour. Look how big it is, right around just off the east coast here. This is the closest it's going to get to the east coast, right off the Outer Banks there in North Carolina. And then we can say goodbye to it as it pushes out to sea. And as I mentioned, really the only impacts we're going to see from it are coastal areas getting some rough surf and us getting a little bit of some high, thin clouds and a bit of a breeze today. 70 to 74, the high temperature. We fall back into the 50s and upper 40s for tonight. For the rest of the 22 Storm Team 7-day forecast, Friday and Saturday look great. Temperatures back in the 80s with a lot of sun. Maybe the chance for a spot shower Sunday, but better chance of any showers is on Monday. Temperatures back in the 70s for next week. Want to check out all of this forecast, you could do so by getting the free 22 News mobile app.